Bonus reading for June the 12th to June the 13th, water signs. Your cards are the Eight of Strength, the Justice, and the World card. Makikita natin dito na itong si person medyo ibabalik yung communication. Siguro nagkaroon din talaga dito ng mga pauses when it comes to sabihin natin giving your persons or giving you the right time. Siguro naging busy si person. Pero meron ditong enlightenment of things are going to change with the World card. The Eight of Strength is clarified with the Devil card and the Three of Intelligence. Meron din ditong realization na yung ginawa ni person, yung nasabi niya, nakasakit sa'yo, pwedeng late nag-sink in, but at least nag-sink in. Ngayon may mga pagbawi siya, hindi ko na uulitin, hindi ko na aabusuhin, no? Pero meron dito din kasi with the World card, changes everything, no? Parang may realization si person na ayoko nang saktan ka uli, no? So this is your bonus reading for June the 12th to June the 13th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.